How to close and open a room for maintenance or cleaning on Softinn PMS. In Softinn PMS, you can close a room for a few types of allocations. 1. Miscellaneous. 2. Maintenance. 3. Cleaning. Check out this video to find out how to close and open a room for maintenance or cleaning in PMS. First, log in to Softinn PMS. Select the correct property. Next, click on the calendar. Click Close Room. Select the duration, date and time. Then, click Apply. Choose the room type, room number and allocation type. Once done, click Save Changes. A blue color cleaning column will appear on the specific date of the room. If you allocate the room to maintenance, the column will appear in gray color. Go to Room, then, click on the room status. If you hover over on the room that you closed, the room will appear in gray box, with a tools symbol at the corner of the box. When the maintenance or cleaning are finished, you may open the room. Go to Calendar tab. Then, right-click on the cleaning mark. Click Remove Allocation. Now, your allocation is successfully removed. You should see the blue color cleaning mark disappear from the calendar. Let's try to close and open a room now.
Hi guys, thanks for watching this video. My name is Softinn from Business Departments. My role is to assist business manager in managing daily operations activities, business administrative duties, and hiring process. Besides, I'm also implementing business research and plans to promote business growth. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe our channel.